So for instance, like for something like this page right here, which is kind of the same, it's just, I just reworded it. You can copy and paste that because you're not going to really change that much.
Mhm.
So you can do that. So for instance, let's see if I can pull this up. Let me go to the original one. Boom. Let's see. Basic proposal template. See if I can pull it up. Will it make me do it? So see how this is? You can't change any of these in the, or any of these things down here. And all I did was take this stuff, the sales page and the service agreement, and I made them separate pages. That's all you did. And he actually has a video on how he does that. So it makes it really, really simple. So if you take these side by side, you know, and just copy and paste, so take all of that information, copy it, and then move it over to the other proposal and put it here. You know what I'm saying? So if I wanted to say, put what I just here, you see what I'm saying? So it just pops up.
Got it.
Take it out. So it's actually really, really simple to do. Okay. So now once you do that, you have that saved all the time. So now it doesn't take you an hour and a half to do a proposal. All you have to do is plug and play, put in the client's information, you know, click, and then send it off.